How to use Sprinklr for social media. Managing multiple social media accounts can be overwhelming. Sprinklr promises to simplify it all. Sprinklr is an enterprise platform that unifies publishing, engagement, listening, and analytics in one place. Start by connecting your social media accounts and customizing your dashboard. Use Sprinkler's calendar to schedule posts across multiple platforms with approval workflows and monitor mentions, track sentiment, and respond to customers in real time. Sprinkler's analytics dashboard help you measure ROI and campaign performance. Sprinkler is powerful and scalable, but it can be complex and costly for small teams. And that is Sprinkler in action, a complete social media management solution. Is it right for your team?